All right. So have you ever gotten to like a big event
Hmm.
or, you're traveling for work and you have that really important meeting
Oh, yeah.
and you open up your luggage and your suit's just a wrinkled mess?
Oh, the worst.
Like it's the
Yeah, you
worst.
feel like you can't make a good impression.
You just feel disheveled.
Yeah.
So today we're going to deep dive into a potential solution for that,
Okay.
the Modoker Convertible Garment Bag. And we've got a real expert here with me today.
Hi.
And so like this bag is interesting because it's kind of like a two-in-one.
Yeah.
It's like a garment bag and a duffel bag.
Yeah.
So what is it about like modern travel that makes a bag like this so important?
I think you hit the nail on the head when you mentioned, the business trip where you have to look sharp, but then maybe you're tacking on a couple of personal days, or, we see a lot more blended travel now. So you need something that can keep you looking professional, but also function for that weekend getaway stuff.
Yeah, exactly. And maybe you even like relocate for a couple months for work.
Exactly.
So walk me through this. How does it convert like from garment bag to duffel?
Sure. So, like a traditional garment bag, you've got the hanger part for your suits, your dresses,
Right.
to keep them from wrinkling. But then this one, it folds and zips up
Oh, wow.
into this like really roomy duffel. And I think it's 45 liters.
That's good size.
Yeah, it's big enough for several days worth of clothes,
Yeah.
but it's still designed to be carry-on size for most airlines.
Okay, that's key.
Yeah, nobody wants to check bags anymore.
No, especially these days.
Exactly.
Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty, like the features.
Okay.
What makes this thing so practical for travel?
Well, first off, it's got a separate compartment for shoes.
Okay, crucial.
Yeah, keeps everything nice and clean. And then there are like tons of pockets.
Ooh, pockets are my favorite.
Yeah, you got your passport pocket, your phone charger, even a spot for your water bottle.
So it's like they really thought about organization.
Yeah, it's not just throwing everything in there. It's like having a place for everything.
Yeah.
So you can stay organized and find what you need quickly.
You mentioned packing cubes earlier.
Yeah.
So how would you use those with this bag?
Oh, packing cubes are great, especially when you're using it as a duffel.
Okay.
So you can pack like all your shirts in one cube, pants in another.
Mhm.
It just helps you pack and unpack so much faster.
Makes sense.
Yeah, and it helps prevent wrinkles too.
Oh, that's a good point. Okay, so it's organized, it's got pockets. What
Yeah,
else?
it's made from water-resistant material,
Oh, that's key.
which is essential. I mean, who wants to deal with wet clothes?
No, nobody.
If you get caught in the rain.
Yeah, you're in trouble.
Exactly. And it has a detachable shoulder strap and that sleeve that lets you put it on top of your suitcase handle.
Oh, yeah, that's so convenient.
Super convenient, especially when you're like running through the airport.
Yeah, totally. Okay, so it seems like this bag could be good for like a lot of different kinds of travelers.
Absolutely. I mean, think about it. You're going to a conference.
Right.
You need the garment bag for your suit,
Mm-hmm.
but then you want to do some sightseeing on the weekend.
Right.
You convert it to a duffel boom.
Perfect.
You've got your casual clothes.
So you're saying like business trips, obviously.
Yeah.
Conferences, weddings even.
Oh, yeah. Weddings are perfect for this.
Yeah, because you've got your formal wear,
Mm-hmm.
but then you also need your everyday stuff.
Exactly. And like we talked about, even short relocations
Mm-hmm.
where you need both types of clothes.
So really any kind of trip.
Pretty much. Yeah. If you need versatility, this bag's got you covered.
Okay, I love it. Let's get into some actual packing tips.
All right.
So say I've got my suit. How do I pack it in the garment bag part to make sure it doesn't get wrinkled?
The key is folding it strategically. So you lay it flat,
Okay.
fold it in half lengthwise,
Mm-hmm.
and then fold the arms in. You can also use a garment bag cover for extra protection.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And then when you convert it to the duffel, roll your clothes instead of folding.
Ooh, rolling.
Okay.
Oh.
It helps prevent wrinkles.
Good tip. Okay, so we're trying to pack everything into this 45-liter duffel.
Yeah.
How do we maximize that space?
Packing cubes, definitely.
Okay, we talked about those.
Yeah, you can use the shoe compartment for bulkier items.
Okay.
Like toiletries or a hairdryer. And don't forget the smaller pockets.
Right.
Those are great for socks, underwear, accessories.
All right, so we've covered features, we've covered packing tips.
Mm-hmm.
Let's talk about value for money.
Okay.
Is this bag worth it?
I think so. It's competitively priced, especially for all the features it has.
Right.
And it's made from durable materials, so it's going to last.
Yeah, you don't want something that's going to fall apart on you.
Exactly.
And what are people saying online?
It seems like travelers are loving it.
Yeah.
They talk about how versatile it is,
Mhm.
how well it keeps their clothes wrinkle-free, and how durable it is.
So it's living up to the hype.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
So what's the takeaway for our listeners today?
Well, if you're looking for a travel bag that can really do it all,
Mm.
protect your suits, handle your weekend gear, keep you organized.
Yeah.
This Modoker Convertible Garment Bag is definitely worth checking out.
Yeah. Seems like it could be the only travel bag you ever need.
Maybe.
It's pretty amazing. So as you're planning your next trip, think about if this bag is right for you and your packing style.
Yeah,
Could it simplify your life?
exactly.
All right. Well, this has been another deep dive. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
And we'll see you next time.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.